Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our Vlogmas. Today we'll be building something. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're gonna attempt to build a gingerbread train. Is that right?
Yeah, it's a gingerbread train. So like instead of a gingerbread house, it's a train.
So it looks like this. You can see it. We're just gonna do our best, really. COVID. Just kidding. We're gonna do our best to build this thing. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, step 1, what we got going on here?
It says to basically like you have to gently break apart the pieces.
I remember when I was building one for my sister, the thing broke apart in ways that I didn't want it to break apart. That's terrible. But this is my redemption build. This is my time to shine, or our time to shine.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to massage this for a minute, it says. Ow. It's probably good, I guess.
You spent 3 seconds.
So, looks like we have
All aboard!
woo.
Start making the wheels.
Okay. I mean, you don't have to decorate like that.
Are you gonna do whatever you want?
Yeah.
Okay, I got ideas. Okay, it's time. It's my time. It's my time to shine. Just kidding. I have ideas.
finished the gingerbread and Sam is already eating it.
I'm not sure what to do with this.
I was gonna like show, like, I don't know. Did you already 2 shots of it, I guess?
Yeah, I did like a 360, remember?
Well, this is a side that is still whole, as Sam says. And did some little of these jubes at the front, and it's looking cool. And these peppermints at the side have fallen down, which is annoying, but I think it still looks good. So yeah, that's our gingerbread train. Now,
To the walk-in clinic so I can get my TB test for my new job.
okay, so now we're going to a walking clinic because Sam needs to get a TB test for his new job. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that.
Come for a ride.
And yeah, take you along with us.
We're doing our second day of Vlogmas, and our readings that we read today were talking mainly about Mary and how the angel Gabriel came to her and said to her, "Be joyful, right? God has found favor with you. You will bear a son, and he will be the savior of the world." And it's so fascinating to me that though she was concerned, right? Because she said to the angel, "I'm a virgin, how could this be?" But she was willing to accept this task that was placed upon her suddenly, out of nowhere. You know, probably woke up in the morning, had some breakfast, went about her day, then all of a sudden in the afternoon, boom, you're pregnant. You know, but she was very accepting, and I think if we could be even a fraction, or have a fraction of Mary's faith and belief, that we would be just more happy, more content. You know what I mean?
Sorry, I thought I was gonna say. But yeah, basically, like, I like how, like, she was, at the end, she was just like whatever you say, like, let it happen. Like, she just kind of went along with it, I guess. Which is, I guess, kind of like a good lesson to us, like you're saying, we should be willing to follow whatever God's plan is for us, for our life, instead of just like being like, I would do my own thing, you know?
Yeah, you know, it's more beneficial to us sometimes. Sometimes we might even pray to God for us, for answers or for something, right? And sometimes we tell Him what's happening in our lives, but sometimes people say, "Oh, I don't hear anything back." That's because He's always listening, right? He's always listening. He's always patient. He's listening, and then He's working in ways that we don't even see. You know, just like how He worked in Mary, ways that she didn't even see, but through her came the Savior of the world, and I feel like that is just so powerful. You know, it's very powerful. And another verse. What was the second verse?
Isaiah 7:14.
Could you read that one for us?
Yeah. Says, "All right then, the Lord Himself will give you a sign. Look, the virgin will conceive a child. She will give birth to a son, and will call him Emmanuel," which means God is with us.
So it's just telling us there that Emmanuel, God with us. It's a very beautiful name. There so many things are being foretold. So many prophecies came before the birth of Jesus. So many people came before and paved the way for this to happen. You know, like all the entire first part of the Bible was leading up to this point. You know, and they said Emmanuel, God with us, came to be with us to share and to take our wrongdoings upon himself and to save the world. That's why he came, you know. And he came, and it's funny because he didn't come as a loud parade, 5-star hotel, you know what I mean? He came humbly, you know, like he didn't choose, he could have chosen to be grand, you know, but she chose humility, and that's also very powerful. And I really enjoy these readings that we do every day, and we really hope that you do as well, and that you will keep joining us as we keep rolling on with our Vlogmas.
Yeah. So I guess just to like reiterate, I guess the verses for today that we read were Luke 1 verses 26 to 38 and Isaiah 7:14. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.
Comment down below, or definitely comment down below, and don't forget to that notification bell.
Ding, ding, ding.
Bye.
Okay, bye.